Panibago para sa magaling na kapuso star na si Iza Calzado ang humarap sa anumang pagsubok. Ngunit ang mawala ng isang taong pinakamamahal ay mahirap tanggapin para sa aktres. Sa isang eksklusibong panayam ng Showbiz Central, ibinahagi ni Iza Calzado sa unang pagkakataon ang kanyang tunay na saloobin at mga pinagdaanan sa pagpanaw ng mahal na ama.
We'd like to really thank you for agreeing to this interview. I know it's not very easy to recount very painful memories.
Not everything will be painful, I'm sure.
Nagulat ang maraming tao sa nangyari, Iza. Was it partly because na rin they weren't sure that, or they weren't aware that your dad was sick?
Honestly, I already gave an interview Tuesday night. Sinabi ko na hindi po maganda yung lagay ni Daddy, so may mga kaibigan siya. Kasi hindi ko naman, I didn't know his friends, like the numbers, you know. On my part, didn't really like people talking about it. Mahirap eh, kasi it makes it harder.
You yourself think na parang it was so sudden. Do you sometimes wish that you could have had more time? And to do what?
I just wish I had more time because I actually already made a conscious decision the night before he passed away that I was gonna take off from Bulaga the week after to spend more time with him.
Yung mga oras na nagkasama naman kayo at you had moments together.
They were good. They were good.
What was that like? You guys are very close.
Yeah, we're asot pusa also. When we fight, you know. It's not a perfect father-daughter relationship, but I'd say we had a pretty good relationship.
Ano yung pinaka-mamimiss mo about him?
Dami ako mamimiss. Do you know that he was really sick already? Then one time he told me he was in the studio. He wanted to show me that he was okay. I cried because I became hopeful.
Yes.
You know, but at the same time, I cried because I knew what my dad was trying to do. So I will miss that. I'll miss his texts. Actually, he started texting me a lot when I went through a breakup. He would text me quotes every day. I'm like, saan galing to? Pinaka-mamamiss ko siguro yung pagdating dito sa trabaho. I took pride in that na ito sa my dad's doing. Wala eh. Show business will always be my father's domain.
Isa now that both your dad and your mom have both passed on, saan ka na ngayon kumukuha ng lakas mo?
Well, my brother's still around, and I hope that we'll be around together for a while. You know? God, tama na. I said, kota na Lord. Tama na eh. Tama na. Muna. I mean, like I say, death is inevitable, but karami na kami ng konti.
Ngunit sa gitna ng pagdadalamhati, hindi pa rin nakaligtas si Iza na maintriga.
And how is the love life?
Always lovely, you know.
First, about you and a certain...
Hi, Pia! Tapos na to, di ba?
Miss Tiso, I'm just reading from questions here. I guess I have to ask it.
What about Miss Tiso?
Sino nga ba yun?
And know what I want and make the decisions that I need to make in my life, and then we can talk again. Diba?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, girl! That was hard! Feel ko yun!